Okay, we're looking at number 3 and question number B. It wants us to do our Lewis structure, but we are going to be breaking the octet rule. So I have 3 oxygens. Each oxygen has 6 valence electrons. So this is going to have 18 valence electrons altogether. And since it's not cyclic, I'll arrange them in a straight line. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. The remaining 2 must be there. Alright, but if I check my formal charges right now, I'd see that this is a -1 and this is a -1, and that center one is really bad because it's 6 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, so +2. Alright, so what I'm going to do to make that happier is take 2 of those electrons off that negative and share them with the other oxygen. That would actually bring this to 0, and this middle one would actually be a +1 foremost charge, 6 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, theoretically, we could do that again on this side and get something like so, which actually would have all 3 have a formal charge of 0. But you actually can't do that because that particular oxygen would actually have too many electrons. Oxygen has to follow no more than the octet rule, and this has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 electrons around it. So oxygen can't do that. It can't form the 2 double bonds and have a lone pair. So it does this, but technically what happens is this resonates back and forth with itself, and the 2 outer oxygens part of the time have double bonds and part of the time have single bonds. And that makes this whole thing slightly more stable.